welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish.
20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off at 180 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Come aboard, explorers! Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. I'm aboard explorers, it's time to explore. We've been on a huge adventure.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
Come on, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. These are my friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You will try one of these balloons. Oh. That's it.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full.
I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go.
Dory!
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer. That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like...
Me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. Now for
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games! Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Ooh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! So huge! Volcano kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Dogging.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales are being krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like one last night. I'm gonna be.
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent who'll already count with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are servicing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Station to maneuvering watch. Rig shift for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 290. Stand by to dock.
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines.
Now folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore please.